for this particular shoot.
Hey guys, I am Luna Summer. I am sort of back from like an extended hiatus. Basically, I've been gone because of the pandemic and I've had to move back to my childhood home, and honestly it's just not like the best place, the most creative place for me to post YouTube videos. I feel like I'm at my most creative when I can spend a lot of time to myself, and I just haven't been able to do that often here. I wish that Instagram would go back to still photos, but that doesn't look like that's gonna happen, so here we are. I've been very reluctant to do this, but I am kind of curious about like making this type of content. So here we are. I have already filmed one of my looks today. I also wanted to show you guys some crocheted Pokemon that I recently got on Etsy. I'm sorry if the audio is really bad, I just wanted to do this really impromptu. So anyway, for the remainder of my 2 photo shoots, I'm gonna try to take you guys along with me, but I need to change because I have 2 more outfits to go with 2 more Pokemon. I'm just at home for this photo shoot.
So the first photo shoot was actually outside. I just have to clean up the mess that I made in order to balance my camera on top of where I was shooting. So I will show you guys, I guess, like a preview of where I was shooting out here. I was just on my family property, and there were some really pretty yellow flowers that bloomed, so I wanted to get that in the background. This was my DIY ring light, I guess you could say, but the sun was the light, so it was more like a tripod. But I definitely made a mess of just random stuff. I was trying to get the camera balanced right there, and it actually worked. So this was basically the view for that photo shoot. You should check me out on Instagram, by the way.
Hey, I'm back, I'm changed, and I have a microphone, although this microphone is pretty old, so I apologize if you can tell if the quality is not great. It is a 2012 microphone because I've wanted to do YouTube consistently since like before 2012. So anyway, despite all of that, I did kind of want to give you guys a preview of my outfit, and I will take you on the photo shoot. It is just a do-it-yourself photo shoot. That is what I am interested in, although I guess it's more of a TikTok and less of a photo shoot. Still upset about that. Also, I did want to say I'm shooting this in September of 2022, and I'm not really sure when this is gonna go up. Let's get into the next part of the photo shoot. I'm back with different hair. I actually like this a lot. I like the 2 pigtail look, but like I'm not edgy enough to pull it off like in person, but I love it for pictures and stuff. So anyway, we're gonna continue, and yes, Snorlax is the Pokemon that I'm shooting with right now. This is kind of difficult for me to do because I love like the Pokemon video games, but honestly I have not watched the anime, and I did used to collect the cards, but like there was never a trainer that I was like super connected to. There was never like a character besides the Pokemon that I really liked. So it's not like I'm trying to cosplay and copy anyone, but at the same time it's just like I don't have that many ideas that are either original or trying to imitate like Pokemon, because I'm here just for the creatures. I did think that they went really well with different outfits, so that is what I'm doing today. I'm bending in a really awkward position, but I just wanted to do a super casual video. I feel like with YouTube, a lot of the time YouTube is like, I don't know, it's like when you're in love with your best friend and you try really hard to impress them and you just get nervous when you try to talk to the camera. So I did want to change things up a bit, at least for this video, and I'm liking it a lot better. Like, it's more casual and I'm not as nervous. I guess my only regret is that I'm not wearing any rings in this particular shoot. I love like medieval style rings. I love anything that kind of resembles antique relics, but I didn't think that Pokemon or especially Snorlax would go good with that, so I just went simple. But other than that, I think that this shoot went pretty well. Hey guys, there's kind of been like a perspective change and a lighting change just because the sun is kind of going down a little bit right now, so it's not as bright as it was a few minutes ago. But basically this is going into my third and final photo shoot for this series. I don't know why I keep saying photo shoot. It's TikTok. I don't like TikTok. It's a mental thing that I can't get over. But basically, this is my outfit and it's very blue. My favorite Pokemon ever is blue, but you guys will figure out what that is in the next clip, probably. So now I'm in my family guest room, but I thought that this would complement everything. I did realize that I forgot a bag, and typically Pokemon trainers do have bags. So for this particular outfit, that is the bag that I'm gonna be styling. And the other two outfits just aren't gonna have bags. It'll just be like a local Pokemon trainer. My favorite Pokemon is Nidoran female. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but this one is so cute. I got these on Etsy. I will probably leave the shop link down below. They are all handmade and made to order, so it does take a little while for you to actually get them, but I'm very happy with all of these. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little vlog with me, and I'm crossing my fingers about these TikToks. I hope they turn out pretty well. Anyway, stay beautiful. I will show you guys some details from this outfit because this is my favorite outfit of the day. Also, this like light blue color is like my favorite color ever. And then I didn't show these jeans in like the actual shoot, but I did want to show some detail, I guess, with them. They do have like crosses running on both of the sides and they are kind of tie-dye, so I thought that that was pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little photo shoot.